Welcome to Cooking with Mommy Kaw. Today I have my little helper to help me cook.
Hi everybody, I'm named Abigail. I can help my mom today. We need chili, tomato, shallot, garlic, 3 mackerel, squid, rice putty.
So we're gonna need 3 mackerels. So we're gonna cut it into 3 pieces. Okay, so 3 pieces like this. It's gonna feed about, I would say, 5 people with the squid. Okay, just like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna pound the garlic, the chili, and shallots together into a paste. Here, so what we're gonna do is just pound all these 3 ingredients together. Okay, so this is just roughly pound them, not too fine, but like roughly. Okay, this is how the consistency you want. Okay, so we'll be cutting our 1 tomato, just 1, like that. Rice putty, I'm not sure exactly how you call it. Heating up our stove and our pan. Oil. Not too much, just because we don't want the curry to be too oily. Okay, now that our oil is heating up, we will add our garlic, shallots, and chili mixture into the oil. And then we will mix it all up and we will cook it. Just let the fragrance to come out a little bit. It's starting to smell really good right now. Now we will add our turmeric powder and paprika powder in there and mix it all up. Okay, now that our garlic and shallots and chilies are cooked, we will add our tomatoes. And now we will add a little bit of water just to cook down the tomato and then let it simmer. And now we're going to add our chicken powder, our salt, and then just a little bit of salt. We just don't want it to be too salty, and then our masala, and mix it all up. And now that the sauce is reduced to half of the size, we will add our fish. All of the fish in there, and then we will add our squid, and then we'll mix it all up. And now cover the lid and let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Now 5 to 10 minutes later, we will open up the lid and see if the curry is cooking, the fish is cooking good, and then we will do a little bit of taste testing here. Just to taste if we need to add any more seasoning. And it looks like the taste is pretty good, so we don't have to add anything. So now we're just gonna add a little bit of rice putty to add the seasoning plus the coloring in our curry, and then we will stir it all up and mix it all up thoroughly, and then we will turn off the heat and then just let the rest of the heat cook the curry. And we are done. Here is the finished product. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and stay tuned for more videos.